Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you how to use the Micro app to completely transform your phone's home screen in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in and make your phone look awesome. Step 1. Download and open the app. First, download the Micro app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once it's installed, open it up. You'll be greeted by a clean and intuitive homepage filled with tons of customization options. Step 2. Explore wallpapers and widgets. Tap around to explore. Start by browsing the wallpapers and widget sections. You'll find a huge collection of stylish, high-quality wallpapers and popular widgets like elegant clocks, functional calendars, and fun mini-games. Find ones that match your personal style. Step 3. Preview and choose your look. When you find a wallpaper or widget you like, tap on it. The app usually gives you a preview, showing you how it will look on your home screen or lock screen. This helps you make the perfect choice. Step 4. Customize your app icons. Want a completely cohesive look? Head over to the App Icons section. Here, you can choose from various themed icon packs. Once you select a style, the app will guide you through the process of applying them. It might ask you to grant permission to set new icons. Just tap Allow or Install when prompted. Step 5. Add a Quick Start widget optional. For ultimate convenience, check out the Quick Start widget feature. This lets you create a custom widget shortcut for your most used apps. Choose the apps you want and then place the widget right on your home screen for instant access. Step 6. Apply your customization. Once you've selected your favorite wallpaper, widgets, and icon pack, it's time to bring it all together. Hit the Apply or Set button. The app will handle all the technical setup for you. Step 7. Enjoy your new home screen. Head back to your home screen and check it out. It's now totally unique to you. You've just given your phone a fresh, personalized makeover.